this is Halo Heart. My name is Niti and I'm a dating coach helping people find love in the 2020s. And today we're talking about dating apps. It's 2025 and should we really be on them anymore? Or is it just a shit show? Firstly, we gotta talk about options. Dating apps are simply a way to meet potential matches. They are simply a method of connecting with potential partners. And it is a way to maximize your options, maximize the numbers of how many potential matches you can meet. Because no matter how many friends you have introducing you to friends, no matter how many events you're going for, the numbers just don't add up the same way as if you were swiping on an app. This is also perceived in a negative light, and it is a negative thing because we start to devalue each person. We see them as just a match or just a profile, and we don't see them as a person. But there is a person behind that screen. This is a brilliant opportunity for you to be connecting with individual people, and we need to start seeing them like that. There is a lot of ghosting, there is a lot of devaluing people, but that is in our own hands. How do we want to use these apps? And I'm all about taking that power back into your hands and making the most of everything you have. Are we really going out there smiling at strangers, taking the effort to talk to new people? This gives us a convenient way to stay at home, swipe, and still be able to connect with partners. There is no pressure. There is no pressure. Like if you were meeting someone through a friend, they're gonna follow up with you and be like, oh, how did it go? I think they liked you. Did you like them? Like, it's a low pressure situation, but that doesn't mean you take the person for granted. It just means that you gotta make the most of the opportunity. It is a great way to take advantage of having these options, and by that I don't mean taking advantage of the person at the other end. It means taking advantage of bettering yourself, taking advantage of getting closer to your desire for love. It's about taking the opportunity to go on a date, not to meet the love of your life, but to improve your social skills and to give that person a chance. By not being on dating apps or by having a really negative perception of dating apps, whether you are on the apps and are sick of them or whether you are scared to download the app, there is everything to gain and nothing to lose. If you use it the right way, you are only saying yes to the possibility of an abundance of options. You are only saying yes. You are showing the universe that this is something you're open to, and you are connecting yourself with another medium to send love into your life. And believe it or not, 61% of people met their partners online in 2024. Out of all the couples that were formed, 61% were formed online. This is what the stats are saying. And no matter how much we're shitting on dating apps, they are working. They are still a medium to connect you to potential partners. And dating apps are of course overpopulated, some of them, but there are so many newer ones as well. you know Community based dating apps, region based dating apps, niche dating apps, smaller dating apps. In fact, take it as a piece of homework for yourself to, after this video, do some research and find some new dating apps that you can try out this new year. And it's just you saying yes to more and more possibilities. Being on dating apps is not about accepting lower quality matches, but it's about accepting possibilities into your life. It's about being open minded, not just being convinced that there isn't anyone for you on these apps. It's about being open minded that there could be someone just like you on the app looking for exactly what you're looking for and would be a great match for you. There is this negative connotation that people on dating apps are only looking for hookups. No one on dating apps is serious about finding love. No one is able to find genuine connections. But 61% of people found their partner in 2024. What does that tell us? This is a great way to meet your partner, and it's here to stay. I'm Niti, I'm a dating coach. If you want to book a session with me, it'll be linked down below.